Our dog is missing. I let the dogs out this morning to use the bathroom and went and sat down and edited. And Nyx came back in. She's on the couch, but Rhea is nowhere to be found. I've called her from the front and the back multiple times, and I don't know where she is. Where's our doggy? God. Had to throw some clothes on London because she was still in jammies, and it's cold and snowy. Well, it's not really snow anymore, but it's still too cold for her to be out here in shorts and a t-shirt. People around. I was looking out the back porch and saw two kids come running down that hill, and I'm sitting there waiting to see if there's a dog chasing them. Freaking loose right by a school. God dang it, Rhea. We really need to fix that fence somehow. Might have to go to like Lowe's or something. Maybe some like chicken wire, I don't know.
Yeah, chicken wire where they can dig under.
They can only dig under so far.
How am I gonna
we
bury
have to
chicken
stop
wire?
them somehow. Pour like gravel in the hole or something.
Can't get through gravel either, apparently.
Just something to keep them from going out. I drove around for like 20 minutes. She just scared the hell out of me. Where were you?
What did I tell you?
Where were you at?
What did I tell you? Just to continue with your IL-2.
Hold your dumbass.
Nice, Foof. Bad Foof. You know run way. You know run way. Where were you? Foof.
I'll go right, you go left? Yep.
Dude, her eyes. Like this one especially. Hi, Foof. Did you scratch your eye on something?
Probably wood or branches or
On the fence? Did you hit your face on the fence?
Dude, they're 1-2-0 already.
Are you exhausted from being a runaway?
Oh, he's kind of like Tupac.
What? Need to put your collar with your name tag on it, so you don't look like a stray. And we need to figure out fixing the fence.
Just camp and go left.
I don't even know where there's a Lowe's or a Home Depot besides Belden.
The guy that was left is not right.
No, that's the only one in the world.
I mean close by.
She poked her face on both sides.
Her eyes always look like bald around them, but they're really red and irritated. Oh yeah, but she does. She's like, don't touch it.
Right steps, right steps.
What did you do to your face? Did you go try and mess with a cat or a bird or something? I really need to wash my hair, especially if we're going in public today.
Alright, baby, come on in.
Oh, they won that. If they win this next match, they won 2-0.
Honey, you gotta change your clothes. I just threw that on so you can look for the dog. Ray, we drove around for 20 minutes looking for you for no reason.
Guaranteed.
Look how funny she looks walking in fast.
Playing Scrim 6
Wait till she comes back around. I can't answer this.
Pause it. You're supposed to answer locally.
Yo, let's get it, Troy.
Hello?
We're in the semifinals. You already know. The lobster was delicious.
Yes, this is she. Okay. Okay, and will this be at the radiology in the main hospital, or is it at
Hey, let's
the
get it
maternal
now.
fetal medicine building office? In the okay, and you said at 12:30?
Listen, there's no reason to be upset. Alright? Do you have a...
Alright, thank you.
No.
You too.
You might want to host this one. They're both Texas. Okay. Hey, host first. Okay.
We get to
Actually, I
see
don't know if
the
Shotzi's in
baby
Texas,
on the
But
24th
he's either
of
West Coast or
January.
Texas.
I gotta pay for that.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Oh.
That's for my doctor.
I'm pretty sure. Unless he's somewhere else.
What if we go there and see 2 babies this time?
Nope.
Well, it's twins.
Yeah, I
There's
just
2
sat in
babies.
that last round. I
The
literally
other one was
Punch the
just
left side of
hiding.
your stomach.
No.
Hope the one on the right survives.
30 seconds. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. Like the guy who took my ticket wasn't it. Like I would never let them tag me.
Texas.
Okay, so yeah, Shotzi's in Cali.
You would have 2 siblings at one time. That crazy.
No.
Sometimes I swear I feel movement on both sides, and that just freaks me out.
Lost in Kansas with the 500 videos. Been watching since
Like sometimes I just randomly get that thought in my head, and I'm just like, the thing about it that
Lost in Kansas.
annoys me the most is if that was the case, we wouldn't know until we came back, and it would just be fun to surprise the family and tell them that it's twins this time. I don't think it's actually twins though, but that still would be funny to surprise them and tell them that it's actually twins. But like I said, if we went to the ultrasound and found out it was twins, it would be too late because we would already be back from South Carolina.
Look at your face.
Her face just keeps getting more and more swollen. Let me see, Rhea. You look ridiculous. Let me see it.
First Matt. Let me see.
What'd you do? Alright, did you learn your lesson? Probably not. Being a suck up now
I don't
today.
like you.
Come here, Foof. Foof. Her face is just getting worse and worse, and it sucks because we have no idea what happened, so we don't know what to do about it. Like, her eyes are almost swollen shut. Holy cow, Rhea. Seriously, what happened to you out there? Alright, you guys, it's now the next day. London's mad because I'm not sharing my food yet. I literally just sat down and took 1 bite, and she's mad because I didn't give her a bite yet. Anyways, Rhea looks a lot better today. Her eyes, the swelling in her eyes has pretty much gone down. She's just a little swollen, like in the snout area. But other than that, she's been fine. Oh, oof. I think she learned her lesson. I think she knows better than to leave the yard now. Oh, oof. I'm eating a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch right now. I just randomly started to feel really, like, sick. Like, I felt fine all morning, and then I just got up to fix a bowl of cereal, and all of a sudden, like, my arms were really weak, and my heart, like, my chest hurt, and, like, I was getting really lightheaded, kind of. So, like, right now, my arms kind of feel like jelly. So, hopefully that's not going to be a common thing again, like it was with London. That used to happen to me all the time with London. Like when I was pregnant with her, I couldn't get anything done because I would almost pass out every time. And yeah, I turned 15 weeks yesterday, and something that has started is I'm always hungry. which it's like I'm always hungry, but I'm still kind of in that phase where most foods don't sound good or they make me sick. Like there's a lot of food that just the thought of it grosses me out, or sometimes I'll make food and I'll start to eat it and then it like repulses me and I'm like gagging because I can't eat it anymore. So it's like I'm really hungry, but I'm limited to only eating certain stuff, and we don't have much food in the house because when I go grocery shopping, I don't really get much because nothing really sounds good, and then I eat it all way too fast. So far, it's like a little after 4 o'clock. We didn't even get out of bed until close to 12. You're still chewing. Why are you already yelling at me? I woke up, me and London made some blueberry muffins, and we ate the whole package of blueberry muffins that we baked. Between me and her. Well, besides 2 of them. Rhea stole 2. London ate 3, and I think I ate the rest. And then, not even an hour ago, London woke up from a nap, and I got up and fixed some scrambled eggs. And I ate scrambled eggs, and we both had a pickle. And then, not even 20 minutes after that, I got up and got a bowl of cereal. And me and her just shared that, and now I'm on my second bowl of cereal. And in 3 hours, I will be cooking dinner. And I'll probably snack some more in between then. So yeah, I'm like really hungry all of a sudden. It seems a little early to already have the never-ending stomach, but oh well. I'm rewatching Grey's Anatomy, and I'm at towards the end of season 6 right now, and if you're a Grey's fan and you know what happens at the end of the season, then you know I'm about to be a wreck, even though I know what happens. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, with me and London sharing some cereal. Rhea's doing better. Christopher was back in Lima. He'll be back morning of Christmas Eve. Watching Grey's. I'm doing some scheduling, I have so much stuff coming up right now that I'm having to write like super detailed advanced to-do lists. Like I have to write what I have to do every day for the next like month pretty much almost. So yeah, that's what's happening. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was kind of like random, and I don't really want to be like, oh my god, it was... Come on now. I mean, like, our dog ran away, and then she came back all beat up, kind of, and now she's doing better. Talked about how crazy I am randomly thinking that it's twins, even though I'm pretty sure it's not. Like, obviously I'm not 100% positive because anything can happen, and I haven't had an ultrasound since 8 weeks, but there was only one baby. And there are people that are like, well, the baby was hidden and I didn't see the baby until the second baby until 19 weeks. And in the back of my head, there's always like, well, this person didn't know they were having twins because one was hidden that early. What if that's what's happening to you? But I'm pretty positive it's only one. And I just need to get that crazy thought out of my head. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Leave a comment and a like below before you go. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, don't forget to subscribe. You can even turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything coming up. Get ready for the gender reveal because that comes out on January 10th. And then everyone will know the gender of baby number 2. And until then, I'll see you next time.